Welcome back to ClearSpot. Your solar panels might look perfectly fine, but hidden flaws could be silently killing 20% of your energy output. Hot spots, micro cracks, and offline strings. These are the invisible defects draining your profits and honestly, shortening your panel lifespan. But what if you could find all of these flaws in seconds? These hidden issues can slash your energy by up to 20%, costing homeowners thousands, and costing solar farms tens of thousands every single year. Traditional manual inspections? Well, they're slow, expensive, and shockingly inaccurate. Studies show manual technicians miss nearly 30% of critical defects, simply because they're invisible to the naked eye. Meet ClearSpot AI's thermal drone, your solar plant's new superhero. It finds what humans can't. It sees what your eyes miss, and it unveils hidden damage before it destroys your ROI. This is thermal intelligence driven by AI. Here's how it works. ClearSpot's drone scans 100 acres in just 30 minutes, delivering complete thermal coverage of your entire system. It uses a high-resolution thermal camera paired with advanced computer vision to detect defects with 99% accuracy, cracks, delamination, hotspots, PID, soiling patterns, offline strings. Nothing escapes ClearSpot AI. As soon as the drone lands, ClearSpot AI's cloud software takes over. It analyzes every thermal pixel, compares it against known degradation models, and sends you instant alerts. One of our clients in Arizona discovered a hotspot that would have cost them $10,000 in lost energy, and possibly a panel fire. ClearSpot flagged it instantly. This 15-megawatt solar farm in Arizona had no idea they were losing over 12% of daily production. One 30-minute ClearSpot scan highlighted multiple hotspots and 2 partially offline strings. They fixed the issues the same day, and honestly, saw a 15% boost in output in less than 24 hours. The plant manager said, "We were shocked. We thought the plant was performing well. Turns out we were losing thousands every month." ClearSpot AI changed everything. Traditional inspections take days or even weeks, and they rely on this, a handheld tool, under a blazing sun, on a 200-acre site. Slow, expensive, limited coverage, high human error, can't detect micro defects. ClearSpot AI is different. It's, 10 times faster, 50% cheaper, 99% accurate, and importantly, it has zero downtime. Plus, it's incredibly useful for rooftops and utility farms. By detecting issues early, ClearSpot AI prevents lost production, which directly reduces carbon waste. In fact, it leads to 40% fewer emissions compared to traditional inspections. Our customers reduce emissions by up to 40%, simply by optimizing energy that would have been lost. Clean power stays clean. Whether you manage 20 panels on a rooftop or 2 million in a solar farm, ClearSpot AI adapts. Our drones operate in residential systems, commercial rooftops, utility-scale solar parks, floating PV, and agrivoltaic farms. If it generates solar power, ClearSpot can protect it. From invisible cracks to deadly hotspots, ClearSpot AI finds the flaws killing your energy. Fast. Want to try it? Get a free demo at clearspotai.com. Have you ever found a hidden defect in your solar panels? Share your story. We might feature it in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.